Okay, so we're just going into my lake house just for a quick little night to check on things. And so this is what I'm bringing, just my toiletries, my makeup, this little sweater, my pajamas are from Roller Rabbit, and then I'm bringing some loungewear. Oh, and these little socks. So just like a set, a little turtleneck, and a sweatshirt. So this is all I'm bringing. I'm gonna put this in my bag really quick, get my computers and stuff, and then we're gonna go. Okay, hello everyone. So welcome back to my channel. Happy Vlogmas day. I think it's 17, which is crazy. I am in the car right now with my mom and we're having a fun little outing together. We packed up because we're gonna go and stay at our lake house for the night. We just thought it'd be a fun change of pace, check up on some things. It's really Christmassy up there and we have some fun decorations. So we thought that we should use it and take advantage of it. But before we go up there, we are actually driving to a Target right now to go and pick up some wrapping paper for me. I think I mentioned it in a vlog before, but people were sending me this adorable sugar paper wrapping paper, and it has bows on it, and the bow looks exactly like my bow on my logo. And so obviously we ordered 3 rolls of it because I want to wrap my gifts for Christmas in it, and my mom was so great and hunted it down. So I'm in the car with her right now, and she's feeling better after her fall. I know I mentioned it. I mentioned it the other day, but she's feeling much better. Still taking it easy because it's gonna take a while. It's her wrist and her back, but we're doing better. And we just went to Starbucks.
That
and
helps. A little coffee.
Yes, coffee helps. So I just got a cold brew, and then mom got just a plain coffee. So we're gonna go get the wrapping paper, and then we're gonna drive up to our lake house. So we wanted a coffee for the little road trip that we're going on right now. And then Elizabeth is working at Erie and Anchor today. We have some fun Christmassy things that we're gonna do, which I will talk about once we're up there. But I just wanted to get this vlog started off. Subscribe if you're new here, and I'm excited for another day of Vlogmas. I have all these really cute prints that have like the little Christmas tree on the sailboat, which is adorable. And then, oh wait, I want to show you this. Over here they have like all these gifts, which is so cute. And then they have these retro, let me find them, like little tumblers, which I'm obsessed with. I think they're so cute. So yeah, just doing some Christmas shopping, visiting Elizabeth. I always love coming in here because the stuff is so adorable. I'm getting this really cute little hat. And then we're getting some more of their coffee. Elizabeth's working. Hi, good to see you.
Good to see you.
Okay, hello everyone. So we are back at the house and we are gonna make some Christmas cookies. We just got up to our lake house. We lit the Christmas tree. We put on a little Christmas candle. The fire is going and it's so cozy in here. So my mom and I are gonna make some Christmas sugar cookies, and then we might also make some gingerbread. So it's gonna be really, really fun, and we thought it'd be a great idea to film it and take you guys along with us, a fun little Christmas activity. So I'm gonna set you guys up and we're gonna make our cookies, and then we're gonna make the dough first, and then it has to sit in the refrigerator for a little bit. And then while we're waiting for that, we thought it'd be fun to show you some of our Christmas decorations up here. So we have a lot of festive little activities to do. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so mom is already starting on the dough. She first of all looks so cute in her little tartan top. It's from J. Crew, if anyone's wondering. So what is this recipe that we're making?
Okay, so I've had this recipe for years, and it's from a friend of mine, and it's Pillsbury cream cheese sugar cookies. And then the royal icing is a Martha Stewart recipe. And I had these cookies years ago and I loved them. And so now it's just a tradition that these are my favorite cookies to make.
Yes.
And sometimes I use a big cookie cutter.
Yeah.
And then like you can even give it as a gift.
Oh, that's so cute.
You know, if you put it in a cellophane bag,
right,
wrap it. So I thought we would just make our cookies.
Yeah, we do this every year.
Yes, I have star cookie cutters.
We do have star cookie cutters.
And I thought we would just
go ahead and bake these. They're literally the most delicious things ever. We do this every single year, and I love the star cookie cutter. So I think
it's because there's just a little, I interrupted you. I think it's because there's a little bit of cream cheese in them.
Oh, that's like your little hidden thing. Okay, that's good to note. We could even put the recipe down below for you guys if you want to recreate it at home. So I will set you up and we're gonna start doing this. Okay, so we have all of our ingredients right here. We always like to set it out ahead of time just so it's like way easier when we start baking. So we have our sugar right here, we have our cream cheese, we have the flour, we have our cookie cutters, we have the melted butter, egg, and then we have some vanilla extract and some salt. So we're gonna go ahead and start putting this all together, and then we have our little recipe right here. And I'll set you up and we'll do a little time lapse. Okay, so we just finished doing the cookies. So while we're waiting, since the gingerbread are in the oven and then we have to wait for our sugar cookie dough to harden so we can bake them, we thought it'd be fun to show you guys some of our Christmas decorations. Up at our lake house, we did this a few vlogs ago at home, and we normally don't decorate up here just because we're not really up here much in the winter time. We have winter pillows that we always switch out from Serena and Lily, which I can show. But this year, since we're all home and I feel like everyone just really got into Christmas so much more, we did decorate, and so I thought it'd be fun, and my mom's gonna come around with us and just show you. We didn't do much, it's just a few little things, but it definitely makes the space super cozy and really fun and festive. And we did get some new pillows, we put up a little tree, and mom's gonna come around. I'm just sitting on the couch, she was checking the cookies. Hi. And I'm in the living room right now, which is mainly where we decorated in here, not really so much the other rooms, but we started in here. So let's show them the pillows first.
Sure.
And then, okay, so here we have these pillows right here. Are these the winter pillows, or are these here in the summer too?
So these are normally here in the summer,
okay,
but I just switched out, and we've had these before, and I love these because they have a little bit of velvet on the back.
And that one's from Serena and Lily, right?
Yes, and we've had that for a few years. But I found these at Target.
Oh my gosh, so cute.
Early on, and look how cute these are.
They're really like Ralph Lauren-y vibes, which I love the plaid. Just a hint of plaid.
Yes.
And it makes it
so
really...
that kind of, I decided to do a little bit, I don't normally do a little bit of plaid, but I did another one over here with the velvet again.
I love it. Yes, so cute.
And this one, I always have this out, but look at this, is pretty. This is a flannel.
And that's from Serena and Lily.
This is also Serena and Lily, but we've had this for a few years. I'm not sure if they still have it. And then this is from Elizabeth's store that she works at, Earring Anchor, and they had a local artist do this last year, which is adorable. It's a sailboat with a wreath on it.
And she has a lot of, I think I actually showed it today in the store. She uses that a lot on like different prints and note cards. It's kind of like their Christmassy, what is it, like print? I don't know, I love it.
Beautiful. This is from a couple years ago, Serena and Lily, same thing. But
so cute.
This is sweatery. I like that.
Yeah, it's really just like cozy and warm to curl up in.
Okay, so this is super cozy afternoon because right now Emily and I can smell the gingerbread cookies.
Yes.
There's a little bit of snow falling.
Yes,
and
I'll show you.
It's starting to get dark. So
I love it. I love it.
So we have a fire going.
As you can see.
All of these things I think are from Target or Walmart this year because I got some new stockings that I just ordered online.
And I love how they're navy because it's a little bit more nautical up here.
And this was Elizabeth's idea to just go navy. And then these are just similar to the ones we have at home. They're from Target. I think it's the Magnolia
Home,
Home, and they're just off-white. But how cute are these?
They're so cute.
I found these at Walmart, and I was kind of trying to tie in the plaid from the pillows, little touches of it. Okay, and then this garland I had from last year from Target, and then let me see if I can find them.
Oh.
I don't know. Here's some more. It's just was sort of weak looking.
Right.
So I got these from
added some greens. Yeah, all of this actually got delivered to the house.
Yes, as I was doing it, I just was going online and look, I tied in the little white berries. It's just really cozy.
Yes, so we have all the garland, and then those candlesticks are usually here in the summer as well, but I think we just moved them up here, and sometimes we light them, like over Thanksgiving we lit them, and it was so cozy. And we always put a fire, I would say. We do a fire quite often here, which is lovely. So this is our little mantle area. Again, just something very simple and easy to add a little bit more Christmas cheer. Okay, so this is the mantle area, and then I thought we would show you our little Christmas tree.
Okay, so here's our Christmas tree. It's not very tall. It's about as tall as me. And I just went on a Saturday before Thanksgiving and I found the decorations and everything. This was Target in the, I think the dollar section maybe, with the garland. These are from Walmart. I love these. These snowflakes are furry, and those are from Target.
So cute.
These are from Target, the pine cones. And then we have these little puff garlands. And they didn't have a lot of these, so I just mixed in this yarn one.
Which is cute.
This is very simple tree. Our tree at home is a little dressier. But then I do love these. Oh, I just did white balls. Oh, look at these little white bells.
Oh, there's actually a lot on this Christmas tree, I will say.
Then, okay, these are the same. These are from Earring Anchor, where Elizabeth works. Same design as the pillow.
She has ornaments.
And I think I did like 8 or 10 of these on the tree.
So you can see it's a little bit more nautical, casual. The one at home is a little bit dressier, but since we've never put up a Christmas tree before here. Okay, so now Mom's gonna talk about our little centerpiece for our table.
Okay, there's not much to it. It's pretty self-explanatory. But we just kind of, as you can see, took the little tree thing throughout the house. This is something that we had from Crate and Barrel.
Cute.
I found this season at Target. Really cute. I can use that all year round. And then I think I got these in the dollar section at Target. And then this was also at Walmart.
She's so cute.
With the little plaid one that's on the mantle.
I love it.
I put one on the mantle, I put one here.
Yep. Okay, so now we're on the island, and this is just such a fun space to decorate because it's all white, and so we always rotate things no matter what season. So Mom, do you want to talk about what we did here?
Sure. So this is from Serena and Lily, and there was a set of 3, like I mentioned, and we have one on the coffee table, and it's 3 different colors. There's the white, the light blue, and the navy. I had that from a couple years ago. And I use these trays all the time. So I just Winter Wonderland, just did the white one, and then these are just fake greens from Target.
And the white little vase we had, and you just use that, right?
Yeah, it's just a pitcher that we use all the time.
Or the pitcher, yeah.
And then there were only 3 of these green trees at Walmart when I was there that day, so I put 2 here and 1 on the kitchen table. And then I don't know where I got this candle last year, but Lake Bound, it's got a great smell. And then I'm really into these little bottles of matches.
And I like it because we just set it next to the candle, so it's so easy to light, and it's also great decoration as well. It adds a little, so this is kind of like really cozy, more woodlandy vibes, as you can see. And then right above on that shelf, we have that little ho 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 sign.
My girlfriend
or it's a plate, actually. Yeah, your girlfriend gave you that. So that is kind of what we have for the kitchen area, but it's still super cozy, and right now the whole kitchen smells like gingerbread and balsam, so it's so festive. Okay, and then something else that I really wanted to show you guys is this is a tradition that everyone in the lagoons does every single year, is we string all of the same lights right on the dock posts, so then at night the entire lagoon is lit up and everyone has matching Christmas lights, and they're kind of like these old colored lights, not old, but like retro looking lights. So I will show you the lagoons lit up tonight because it's so special. Maybe I'll go out on the balcony. And a couple weeks ago, Santa came down. This was like after Thanksgiving. Santa came down on a red boat, and it was so adorable. So this is another fun tradition that we always do up here. Okay, so Mom is decorating the cookies right now, and we made the frosting. It's homemade frosting, and she's just doing white frosting for the stars, but obviously you could do whatever kind of color you wanted. I personally like white though because it's kind of like snowflakes in a way. Are these snowflakes?
No, they're just stars.
That just dawned on me. But yeah, so you're doing a great job right now.
And this is like the consistency. See how it kind of drips off your...
Yes.
That's what you want. I am by no means look at this. See, it's running off the sides.
No, but it's so cute. And these look great. And then we have our gingerbread in the back. So I'm very thrilled to do this. So we're making these cookies, and then probably after we have our dinner, we are going to have a little hot chocolate and cookies, and we will show you the setup that we did for that as well, just for a fun Christmas activity to do at home. Okay, so it's getting a little darker outside, and I wanted to come out here and show you the lights. As you can see, it's starting to light it up a little bit. I'll go back up to the balcony when it's completely dark outside and show you, but it's just so fun. Everyone does this. And I think it's the cutest thing ever. Okay, Dad and I are in the car right now, and we're going to pick up our dinner. Hi, how's it going? We just got some salads for dinner, and then we ordered some cheesy bread, which is very exciting. It's so cozy. It's like raining and snowing. Actually, it's snowing. It's not raining. It's snowing. And so he's driving, and then I'm gonna hop out and get our dinner, and then we're gonna go home and eat it. All right, everyone. So we just had a yummy dinner, and we are now going to have our sugar cookies and our gingerbread that we made today, and we have some hot chocolate, as you can see. cookies. So the cookies look so delicious. They turned out great. And then we have our gingerbread back here. And we have some Christmas napkins that my mom set out for a little after dinner dessert. And then we have our hot chocolate, which she just made, and these adorable little toppers that are gingerbread houses that go on the edge of the mugs. I just think it is the cutest thing. I will leave those in the description box because they seriously make this whole thing and they're so cute. I can't even stand it. And then she just put out some marshmallows and some candy canes to stick in the hot chocolate, and we have our candle going. So this was our little fun creation and activity for today. And then this is how she ended up setting it up on the island. She went with the metal 2 stand for the cookies and the little snowflake mugs as well. So this is adorable. I'm definitely gonna take a picture, and I cannot wait to try our cookies and drink the hot chocolate by the fire.